A woman receives a legal setback in her efforts to fight deportation to Mexico.
Late this afternoon, the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals ruled against Maribel Trujillo Diaz. Local 12's Larry Davis has been following this story since the battle began. He is live with the latest on her status. Larry?
Hi, Cami. Well, earlier this week, Maribel Trujillo's attorneys appealed the immigration order and also asked the court for a stay of her order to be removed from this country. The government late yesterday then requested a dismissal of that request, and today the Court of Appeals here in Cincinnati granted that motion. It is a setback for Maribel Trujillo's supporters and her family, and today her son spoke of the heartbreak. The past several days have been tough on Maribel Trujillo's family. The fear more intense with each passing hour.
Well, every hour I'm just keeping my eye on my phone or my dad's phone, because every time he gets a phone call, I run up to him and say, "Is there any news?"
14-year-old Oswaldo is one of Maribel Trujillo's 4 children. He regrets not being able to give his mom a hug or a kiss when she was detained near their home at this Fairfield mobile home park. Oswaldo says he didn't know she wasn't coming home that day. He says the ordeal has brought his family closer together.
It's going to be hard. It's going to be different because she wouldn't be here, and our brothers and sisters will be sad a lot. My baby sister, she woke up a couple of days ago asking where mom was.
While people have rallied and signed petitions to show support for Maribel Trujillo, others say immigration laws must be followed.
I'm a supporter of the law as the law. And if the courts decide she doesn't get deported, she doesn't get deported. If they decide she stays, she stays.
Oswaldo says his mom was pregnant with him when she came to this country 15 years ago. She told him the risk was worth giving her family a better life. But he doesn't understand why this is now happening to his mother.
A mom who just loves to cook and take care of her children, going through this for 10 years instead of criminals. They're immigrants, and it's unsafe for them to be here. But my mom has never done anything.
Can't be the bells tolling here at St. Julia Billiart Church in Hamilton, which is the home church of Maribel Trujillo. She was a lay minister here. Now, she was to have been on a plane today back out of this country and on to Mexico, but she was not put on that plane because they were waiting for the court decision. That gave people a lot of hope, but then the court ruling came down this afternoon. At last check, she was being detained at an ICE detention facility in Louisiana. Live in Hamilton, Larry Davis, Local 12 News. Cami, back to you.
Larry, thank you. Trujillo's case has received national attention. Prayer vigils and rallies have been held. Her supporters have sent more than 1,000 petition signatures to Ohio Senators Rob Portman and Sherrod Brown, asking them to intervene.